Smash that like button right from the start if you love chess legends, because today, you'll discover how a teenage Bobby Fischer faced off against the mighty Paul Keres in one of Zurich's most unforgettable battles. Imagine the scene, Zurich, 1959. Cold air outside, but inside the hall, pure intensity. A prodigy from America, just 16, sits down against one of the world's most feared grandmasters. Who will survive this clash of generations? Subscribe now if you want more chess drama each week. Let's dive into the wild world of the Spanish game. Fischer, as white, opens with the king's pawn. Keres replies in classic style, mirroring move for move. Knights come out to the center, bishops face each other, both follow the legendary paths of the Spanish game, or Ruy Lopez. Fischer develops his bishop, Keres pushes a rook pawn, trying to chase it away, each move a battle of ideas. They castle early, bringing their kings to safety. But pay attention, behind these quiet moves, both grandmasters are setting traps and preparing future fireworks. Keres, always the strategist, expands on the queenside. Fischer responds with smart pawn moves and subtle shifts, keeping his intentions hidden, but danger is already in the air. Now, the game heats up. Fischer delicately improves his pieces, bishop retreats, knights pivot, pawns take small steps, but every move is loaded. Keres increases queenside tension, planting his pieces for a breakthrough. Suddenly, Fischer begins a kingside campaign, a simple h3, but it limits Keres' bishop. Both sides prepare. And just when the board looks balanced, Fischer springs a trap, knights jump, bishops slice across the board. Keres captures a central pawn, but this opens lines against his king. Fischer seizes the moment, his queen and bishop leap to the kingside, threatening disaster. For a brief second, it looks like Keres has everything under control, but tension is at maximum, one slip could end it all. Here come the fireworks. Fischer sacrifices his knight, a brilliant flash, meant to open paths for his attack. The black pawns are shattered. Fischer's queen and bishop invade, Keres has to defend against all sides, fighting for his life. Pins, double attacks, wild tactics flood the board. Even after material is given up, Fischer refuses to back down. Imagine the pressure, every piece is fighting, every pawn matters. Fischer continues the assault, exchanges, sacks, and threats from both sides. The tension is off the charts, and the audience, silent, on edge. Slowly, the dust settles. Keres is left with awkward pieces, while Fischer's technique begins to shine. The endgame is tricky, but Fischer shows maturity beyond his years. Step by step, he advances his pawns, uses his king actively, and steadily improves his position. Keres tries for counterplay, but Fischer's calm is unbreakable. Move after move, Fischer edges closer, his passed pawns threaten to promote, black's defenses fall apart. Finally, Keres is forced to resign. In a game of such complexity, it's raw genius and nerves of steel that prevail. Enjoyed this chess epic? Smash like if you did, and subscribe for more legendary games. Have you ever risked a wild sacrifice in your own games? Would you have survived Fischer's attack? Which chess player inspires you the most, and what opening do you use to surprise your friends? Share your country and best chess moments in the comments. I'll see you soon for another classic battle. Let's keep the chess legends alive for the world.